right, we are ready for estimating now, estimating and division of decimals. We still have a mixed number, decimal, divided by whole numbers. In each case, it's with whole numbers. But now we're talking about estimating. It's always good to estimate your quotient, because then you know when you do get your final answer, you can compare the two and see if you are in the ballpark. Because sometimes with those decimal points, you might be putting them inadvertently, accidentally in the wrong spot. So if you go ahead and make your estimate first, move it over to the side, keep it in mind, then when you get your answer, if by some chance you accidentally forgot about where that decimal point should be, you can go back, compare your two answers and go, oh yeah, I forgot the decimal point, okay? All right, so let's look at this. This should bring back some memories of when we did this before with whole numbers and we were looking for compatible numbers. Here's how we're going to do this with decimals. First off, we're going to be looking at the whole number right here, 84, and we're going to be looking at our divisor 9. We're looking for compatible numbers. Remember, numbers that easily work together, they're really fact families too. It's really that something divided by 9, something that works together. So in my mind, I go ahead and think 9 times what is close to 84. So I think, let's see, 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And then 9 times 10 is 90. So in this case, I would be thinking, all right, if this was 81, I could divide by 9 and I would get 9. So my estimated answer for this would be 9. That's my estimated answer. So once I work my problem out, if by some chance I forget about putting my decimal point in the wrong place, or sorry, in the right place, let's say I get the answer 90, then I can go, oh, wait a minute, I forgot to move that decimal point, okay? And my answer really should be 9 point something, okay? Let's go ahead and look at this one. Now we have 7 and 14 up front. So 7 times what is 14? 2, right? Okay, but I also have this, it's in the hundreds place. So it's going to be 140, that's what I'm thinking in my mind, 140 divided by 7 equals, you already told me 2, okay? 7 times 2 is 14, and then I just have to tack on that 0, okay? So check your work, go ahead and check it. 7 times 20 would be 140. My answer then, my estimated answer is 20. When I get my exact answer, it should be somewhere in the ballpark of the whole number 20. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one. 8 times what is close to 39? 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. I'd probably go with 5, okay? So I'd probably go ahead and say that this is 400 divided by 8 equals, and it's not really 5, right? Because 8 times 5 is only 40. Tack on that 0. All right. Now, my answer should be somewhere in the ballpark of the whole number 50. That's what estimating is all about. Notice in all of these cases, I did not include whatever is in the parts. Okay, I did not include the tenths, the 6100ths. I didn't really do any rounding. I looked for compatible numbers that worked with my whole number divisor. Okay, go ahead and practice some more on this lesson 5.3.